Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you to draw Sully from Monsters Inc. aka me. Things you need for this video is green paper, and pencil, and marker. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button and subscribe to this video. Alright, first thing we're going to start to draw me. I know, I'm so handsome. It's going to be my ear, my heart. So, we're going to draw a big you can to a spike, then a line right there, then another one, then some more lines, then a big happy face. Doesn't that seem good? Get out of here! Okay, don't know what I should draw. Sorry for you Sully fans, but we're sorry. Okay, so we're gonna start for me. Yes, you. Me. It's going to be the we're going to draw the head. So we're gonna draw a circle right here, 2 lines, then a U right here, then an arm right here, and then a line right there. He's gonna do a thumbs up. Kind of looks like he's pointing his finger up, like actually. I'm gonna draw his little tiny feet and then his tail. That doesn't look like me. No, it doesn't. Right? No. Okay, then some bones right there. Then right here we're gonna draw a nose. That goes out to here, then right there. It kind of curves out like that. Then just a line right here like that. Then 2 lines and then color it in. And right here we're gonna draw a line for smile, and line right there. Then we'll draw a circle right here, another one, and another one. Another line right there. And some fur. And we'll draw a line right here, line, and it's gonna go all the way to here, and then some like fur lines, and then all the way up here. And then right here we're gonna draw another eye. That looks so bad. Well, the eye. Okay, we're gonna draw a circle and a circle right there. Sorry for my dog being loud. Sorry. Then right here we're just gonna draw one of his like horns coming out of his head. There you got some fur right there. Then another one, which is pretty easy. Then right here we're gonna draw one of his arms and just go like that. Then all the way out to here. Then one, and another one. Line right here. Then a bump. There. I think that's too long of an arm. Yeah, this is better. And a finger right there, and then another one with a little spike. Then we'll draw a line right here that goes up to here. Some fur there. And then draw some like circles on him. We can for like just like kind of add and make him look furry right there. You can draw some like little spikes rounds on them. I'm gonna draw a line right here, and it's gonna go down to here like this, take a curve, and go back out like right there. Then you can draw some spikes on it. Sorry. Circle and then add some fur onto it. Then here we're gonna draw a line, then another one right here, that goes up to here. Then a foot, which is 2 like lines right there and right here. A toenail, another one, and another one. Then another circle. Then here we're gonna draw some right here, just the same thing, but you know, we're gonna redo that.
You could add a circle just right here. Then we're gonna draw some squiggly line right there, a line, then a curve up to here, go down, curve line, curve line, curve line, and a bump right there, line, some fur, and then right there. And then we're gonna draw some of his fingernails. Then a circle right here, and then one right here. So this is what it should look like. That's kind of starting to look like to me. I mean, you tell me the difference. I mean, your head's huge. Your feet are big. And we can't even see your tail. I've been roasted. No, you haven't. Sorry for my cringe. Sorry. Okay, I'm actually sorry though. Okay, so time to outline this baby. Okay, time to outline this, but before we actually do, I'm probably gonna rechange the tail right there a little bit. Not rechange, I'm gonna change the tail. Wow. I still got talking today. Okay, before I even do anything, I'm gonna show you your colors also, so we can just get it quick out of the way, and then you can have fun and show it to your parents. Okay, so we're gonna need a blue right here for the eyes. And then you're gonna need, I think that's a darker blue. I don't know. I'm gonna take his old goofy drawing. Okay, that's definitely gonna be body color. That's definitely gonna be body color. Let me check this one. That's definitely gonna be his nose. We need another body color one. Come on. Oh yes, so this is gonna be a shading one. Right there, and that's gonna be the other body color. Right there. Okay, gonna get rid of that boy. Ah! We're gonna need two purples, I think. Yeah, two purples. A tan and a gray. And these are gonna be the colors you're gonna need to draw me. Okay, so I'm gonna start coloring. No. Okay, you're not gonna color. Watch movies, you're more like scared. Yeah. You don't act like this. Yeah, I really don't, I'm sure. Okay. Sorry for my cringe. Sorry for his cringe. Okay, were those markers full? I swear we did 2 tans, right? Did we do 2 tans? No, we didn't. So, just add an extra tan in there. Okay. Let's get coloring and outlining. Ka-chow! Alright guys, and that is how you draw me from Monsters Inc. You're Sully. Okay. That's how you draw me from Monsters Inc. Man, I look good. Alright. See you guys in the next video.